Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a Disney Pixar Cars diecast from the NASCAR wave of Disney Pixar Cars. We have GoGo Logano. And on the back you can get other cars like the Crew Chief Mater, Ryan Inside Laney, and Lightning McQueen. Let's get GoGo Logano out of his box. So here is GoGo Logano's pit crew sign, which now he is Fiber Fuel, which is one of the sponsors that didn't appear in Cars 3. It has been in Cars 1 in the number 56, and now GoGo Logano now sponsors Fiber Fuel. Here is GoGo Logano. Now GoGo Logano is based off a NASCAR driver, Joey Logano. So obviously he is number 22 because of him being in Team Penske. Fiber Fuel, a new logo for the side, which is there's the wheat corn on the side of him, which is hard to tell. A red 22, just like his real life counterpart. It has a lighter yellow on the top with darker golden yellow on the side. A red spoiler, Fiber Fuel. Oh, there is a wheat husk. Red spoiler. Inside are the silver rims, which are really nice. The rookie stripes, because he is a new driver who now entered the new Piston Cup season. Here's a three. And let's take a look at the pit sign here. You know, Fiber Fuel, half red, half yellow, and the red number 22. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.